Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to bring signal sources onto the screen and create windows using the Colorlight U9 series video splicing processors web interface. First, drag the signal source onto the screen group area. Once the source is placed, click Maximize to fill the entire screen group with the signal lure. Single screen setup is now complete. If you want to switch to a different signal source, simply drag the new source over the existing one and hover 1 second, and the signal will replace successfully. Then, just click the delete button. Now, let's create a dual window layout. Click Layout, select the 1x2 layout, and drag the desired signal sources into the layout windows. Your dual screen setup is now complete. Next, let's set up a 3-window display with 1 main window and 2 secondary windows. First, click Clean Up Canvas to remove all current windows. Then click Layout. Select the 1x1 layout and drag your main signal source into the screen group area. Then you can adjust the window size and position manually. Follow the same steps to add and adjust the secondary signal sources. Once all windows are set, your 3-window display setup is complete. Of course, U9 Max supports more layers on the screen at the same time. Come and experience it. Thanks for watching.